Going on guys, this is Mohammed here back with the video, and in this video we'll be comparing the Mi4i, Xiaomi Mi4i versus Asus Zenfone 2 Laser ZE550K. So we'll be comparing the specs, the looks and the features of the phone, and both are cost a bit higher and lower. We'll get through it and we'll finally come to a conclusion that whether which is worth a buy. So guys, when we talk about the display and the design of the phone, the Asus has premium look, whereas yeah, Xiaomi can be replaced with other wooden cases, which even looks good by just by naked how the phone comes within the box. The look, the when come the look, the Asus wins here. So Asus is award-winning design of 2015. So it for the looks, it wins over there. When we go inside of the phone, as you can see the Mi4i, which has 1080p display, whereas the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser has 720p display, and it has a processor. The Asus has a processor of 1.2 gigahertz, whereas the Mi has 1.7 gigahertz processor. So when we talk about the weight of the phone, the Xiaomi is the lightest phone. It has only 130 grams, whereas this is 170 grams, a bit weighter or heavier, whatever you say guys. It's because it has 5.5-inch display, and whereas Mi4i has 5-inch display. It has 5.5, it is 5-inch, so does matter. So when we talk about the RAM, both got at 2 gigabyte of RAM, which is DDR3, so it's good. So lagging maybe not be a problem over there. Both the phones till now I have not experienced any lag guys. So Xiaomi also does the job well, whereas the Asus also done job well. Whereas when we come talk about the battery of the phone, it has 3000 mAh battery, whereas this has 3120 mAh. So battery issues, so this is a winner and this is a loser. So when we talk about the sensors, both got proximity sensors, accelerometer sensors, light sensor, and gyroscope. Both the phones have same sensors over there. So and both are 4G dual SIM. So when we talk about the camera, so let's open the default camera of this phone, whereas and this one, as you can see here, both have a good 13 megapixels camera, which is 1080p recording and records a decent photos. And when we talk about the selfie, which has the 5 megapixels over here, as I'll show you the camera sample of both the phones. It is taken by the Asus Zenfone 2, and whereas this is taken by Mi4i. So as you can see here, the Asus Zenfone 2 has wide angle lenses. It takes photos a bit wider, whereas this phone has a normal taking of the photos, not like this Asus Zenfone 2. So when we take for the selfie, if you are a selfie fan, then the phone is yours. Whereas when we take this phone over the night, the Mi4i wins it. So this is the features we get with both the phones. So for the specs wise, Mi4i is always the winner, whereas the performance and a bit of photography and all, Asus Zenfone 2 is a winner. Both the phones get customizations options over there like this. You can download the themes, but in Xiaomi you can even change the handwriting and icon packs, but this is the phone only you can change the themes but not icon packs and handwriting as well. You need Asus can be powered up just by tapping like this, because the problem with this was you need to turn it on by up. So all you need to do was that you need to touch the front portion of the 5.5-inch phone, so which is a hard task for some guys who have small hands. So Asus done a good job by giving the double tap to wake up, whereas Mi4i don't have any double tap to wake up, just you need to click it on. So if you are the display's priority, if you want a 5-inch phone, then Xiaomi is a good choice for you. Whereas if you want a big screen and customizations and a good performance, gaming and software updates, then Asus is your choice. So Asus can be used even like single-handed mode, as guys maybe know. You can do it as small as possible. For some guys who don't have habituated of using by two hands, so we can use this. Even Xiaomi has given this option. You get all you need to do is just do this. It's giving me trouble over there, so it's here. Okay, and you can even do it down and as well. So just click this one, you'll directly go to other one. So when we compare the camera has various customizations over there. We get a vary of features like a Samsung mode, beautification mode, super resolution, and various things which can design it and several way. Whereas the Xiaomi has a stock sort of look, which even small phones do that, so which is good. And Xiaomi comes with 14,000 to 13,000 bucks, and this is the 9,000. If you are looking for only 9,000 phone, this is the best phone you can get for. So 9 to 10,000, it may vary by shop to shop, and sometimes you get it 10,000, sometimes at 9,000. Zenfone 2 comes for now in black and red color. The black color is not so good, the red rocks. And whereas Mi4i has a white color, black color, gray color, blue color, whatnot, guys. If you're color likely people or color friendly people, then Mi4i must be your choice. And it has so sacrifices you must make if you bought a Mi4i is that it has only 16 gig storage. It doesn't have any external SD card, and the battery of this phone cannot be removed if you get any problems. Whereas it has external SD card option and 16 gigs storage in build, and external SD card may be expanded up to 120 gigabyte storage, which is awesome. And the battery can be also removed if you want. So these are the features. The plus ones and the minus ones we have discussed for now. No more lags. The software issues may be solved more by Asus. Day and day we are getting many updates. For now I've received 3 updates, whereas Mi4i doesn't update since it's Chinese manufacturer, whereas this is the Japan manufacturer.